there are essentially three steps to buying a home. So if you want to call it the home buying process or the home loan process, there's really three steps, big steps, right? Number one is you qualify for the actual mortgage. You need to make sure you can afford what you want to buy. And especially if you already own a home, you want to make sure you can afford something before you sell your current home. Number two is you go then house hunting. This makes total sense. I've now qualified for mortgage. I know what I can buy. I can now go have the fun part, which is looking at all the homes. And then the third step is actually getting the mortgage, right? The mortgage loan process. And that's where you go through all the steps. So let's break that down real quick, just high level stuff. So step one, again, that's the actual qualifying for a mortgage. That's where you do a loan application and you get pre-approved, right? Not just pre-qualified, but pre-approved, like provide documentation and get that done so that you know what you qualify for, so that you know what your costs are going to be. So you have an idea of what your rate's going to be, what programs you want, so you can plan accordingly. That's step one. It's qualifying for a mortgage, just to make sure you got all that, set up and done. Once you've done that, step two is go house hunting. And I think you know what that entails. So I'm not going to go in, but that's going to look for it, find it, negotiate, get a contract. Once you get a contract and you found a seller who wants to sell it to you, you've signed the contract, you're ready to go. That's when the mortgage loan process starts. And that's that 30, generically speaking, about 30-day window from having a contract to close, where you go in and now you update your paperwork that you use for your pre-approval. And you do finalize your rate, your payments, your cost, all that fun stuff. And then also you go through the home inspection and all that. So we do have links down around here somewhere that you can see to find each one of those steps in greater detail. But essentially, again, there are three steps to the home loan process. Again, get qualified for mortgage, go find a home, and the mortgage loan process. So if you have any questions, as always, reach out to us. I don't want to oversimplify this, but it is a very easy step. But it's not as easy as, click get mortgage. It doesn't work like that. But those are the three major steps. Call us if you have any questions. And as always, when you think mortgage, think Mark.